Hi Lisa, how are you?
I am doing great. And I have a good news for you. I found the best way of advertisement to help you out.
Really? Please tell me about that.
YouTube advertising is the modern way of marketing. Majority of business owners are familiar with popular methods and channels of online promotion, such as Google AdWords, Facebook, LinkedIn and Twitter. Do you know YouTube advertisement also delivers great conversion and return on investment?
Hey, are you talking about the advertisements that we see when we watch videos on YouTube?
Yes, you got it. Let me tell you more about YouTube advertisement.
Okay, tell me about the advantages of YouTube advertising.
YouTube is the most popular video platform in the world. Large number of consumers use YouTube in order to get feedback about the product they intend to buy. The possibility to reach target groups, which can be based on their gender, geographic location, spoken language, or interests. Video ads allow you a better connection with potential customers on a distinct and unique way. The fact is that a number of users skip your advertisement after a few seconds, but researches show that viewers still remember the brand they have seen.
Yes, I see a lot of ads. Almost 3 or 4 in a single video. That means YouTube advertisement has a lot of potential.
Yes, it's the easy and cheap way of advertising these days. YouTube ads appear on all types of devices from mobile phones to desktops. You can easily determine the marketing budget which you plan to invest in a single day. You can accurately measure the success of campaigns through tools that show how people respond to your video.
But is YouTube really better than Google AdWords? I am still not convinced.
You might be thinking, why should you advertise on YouTube? See, it's the largest website for displaying video content. The most visited site in the world, with over 4 billion video views per day. Every minute 18,000 hours of video content is uploaded on YouTube. As per YouTube, it has a watch time of 1 billion hours in a single day.
Really? 1 billion hours in a single day. Looks like I need to give it a try. Okay, now quickly tell me, how do I start with YouTube advertisements?
Great, I know a company with expertise in YouTube marketing and video creation.
Okay, please share their contact with me.
You can visit their website www.guruwebdevelopers.com or call them on this phone number.
Thank you. You are really a great friend. I will call Guru Web Developers right away and start advertising on YouTube.
Okay, I will see you later. Have nice time. Bye.